Hello guys, I have got Macbook here which I will be working on today. So what's happening, it's not turning on. So when you plug in the charger, it's on this side actually. So, oh sorry, you can't see, nothing is happening. So no light, not turning on at all. So any of in this situation, as I always told you that DC power supply can provide you a good indication. So let's try. Okay, so yeah, there's a light voltage, and you can connect charger, and do you see? So this is input short. From my experience, input short can always, not necessarily, but can always show you a heat point. So what I'm gonna do now with this, I'm gonna put it under the thermal cam, but before I will remove the back panel. Okay, so
this is the only way to iPhone.
Oh, okay. And
board is pretty clean, I don't see anything. Do I have to remove the board? But before I remove the board, let's check under the thermal cam. So the board is under thermal cam now, and I have provided it some power. Let's move it around and see, and it's pretty hot. I have to turn it off immediately, but before I turn it off, let me check where exactly it is. So is this the one? Yep. And I will turn it off now. Here, see how suddenly let's get back here, and I will check visually which one is it. Okay, looks like the first one. Okay, now let's bring it under the microscope, and let's check this capacitor here. This is the cap here, which was getting really hot, more than 150. See this one here. So the sign of that scratch is from that user. Let's go closer and see if we can. Now see, no burning mark, nothing. It might not be this, but it might be this, you never know. But usually if the capacitor is lighting up, it's usually the capacitor. Next thing I would like to do is to check what that line is located on. Okay, so that's this one here. So this is PPV battery G3h charging line. Okay, so these three capacitor in line, there is a one small one as well. We will have a look on this one, but what we logically we should do is to remove one which is getting hot, and I will also check the resistance to the ground, and then we will decide what to do. So yeah, it's very low resistance, see? So that is a short. So next thing I'm gonna do, remove this without removing the board, because that might save our time and fix the problem quickly. Should I remove the board? Because battery is there and then I can use the hot user, but I will remove the SSD and put some heat resist tape here, and then I will remove that cap and see how it goes. If the short is still there, then we will remove the board. Okay, we will put one here so that hot air doesn't go to the battery side. Disconnect the battery. Just put one here. And here. Okay, now let's remove it now. Oh, come on. Yep, finally came out. I was a bit afraid not to give too much heat because battery was connected, so anyway, let it cool down now. Now let's check. Nah, the short is still there. Okay. Anyway, so now the next thing is I would like to check it again under the thermal cam. See after removing this what other heat point we can get. So now again under the thermal cam, same area. So see, there is no cap here, but still it's heating up. But it's the next one is also heating up, and there is. Okay, let's check freeze spray to be more precise.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's put some spray and turn it on. Now it's showing this one here. See, let's try again. Okay, so see, maybe we pulled out the wrong one, but next thing we can do is put some isopropyl. Where is isopropyl? Here. Okay. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, let's remove this one now. Okay, this much is okay. We can check. What's the resistance now?
Check the price.
It might be removing one and then I don't know. Let's check it. Okay, so this is, yeah, see, short is still there. No, sorry. Nah, see, no short. So this is ground and this is no short. Let's remove this. Okay, take it out. Daga, this was the one. Let's check it one more time. No short. All good. So now the next thing is move this away and let's see what happens on the, see, showing no short now and it's actually turning on. Now let's put those capacitors back from the donor board and see how it goes. Let's give it a clean. Come on, come on. Yep. All done. Can you see? I'll put some low melt solder here. Okay. I will get the two caps from the donor. So we need two of these. That should sort our problem. You can see now. Yeah, you can see. See, this plastic is burning. Nothing I can do. This is a dead board anyway. Number 1 and number 2. That's it. Okay, and I should have removed the board, but I'm so fucking lazy. Oh, come on, don't break. Alright, so where was we? Here. Oh, come on, fuck it, this is still hot. Other way around, here. Okay. I need little bit smaller. Come on, move. And later I will give it some heat so that they drop down. Okay. I'm going to put some heat resist tape again. Man, I'm so much worried because that's too much heat for an battery is just there, very close to my face. Come on. That's it. I will give it a clean, let it cool down. Okay, all good. It should turn on now. Should it? Yeah, correct amps. Yep. Turns on. Fine. All good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching and see you in next video. Bye.